What is going on YouTube? It is I, Mr. Graves, back again with another video, and today we're going to be talking about free methods that you can use before you start preparing yourself to purchase traffic, meaning like buy traffic, buy visitors to your website, etc. So before you put yourself in that position, because I am currently in the low ticket offers, I'm preparing myself for the higher ticket offers, and when I get to that level, to that position of being in a higher ticket offer, I'm gonna start having a traffic budget, all right, and so I can start running traffic to a much higher paying ticket offer instead of just running traffic to a low ticket offer. You might as well put yourself in the position to where you can earn a lot more, you know. So just don't think about how much things cost. Think about how much money I can make, you know. So let's try to switch up your mindset a little bit. And before I get to that point that I was just speaking of, right now we're just going to be focusing on free methods. All right. So if you guys don't know, this is ibotoolbox. So what I did was, Nipsey Hussle's death is still and we still, it's like a week or two ago. So I decided to post that video on ibotoolbox because I felt like it was still relevant, and and it could get me a little bit more engagement, with the video. And so, because before I get to, higher paying offers, I really just want to just focus on getting as much traction to my YouTube videos as possible. And when I put myself in that position, it will be like a good starting point for me, because I already have, a little bit of a following on my YouTube channel. So my main focus at the end of the day is to just drive traffic to my YouTube channel, because at the end of the day, that's what I'm going to be doing all my offers to, and pushing all my offers through YouTube. So that's my main focus at the moment. And I definitely got a response here, you know and that was pretty much a instant response too. So I really want you guys to, if you're not, if you don't really have the money, to pay for traffic, you can start off just doing things like this, to where you can have, engagement with you and the other members on the platform as well. So it'll be like a nice icebreaker, if you will. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, and then of course you can still get some banners going. So yeah, this is all free advertising, because currently I am at a low ticket offer, with me being at Lead Lightning, last year being brokeplan.com. Yeah, this is a one-time $7. This is a low ticket offer. So and this is me being at the beginning, so it's better for you to just save your money that you would think about buying for traffic, and put yourself in a much higher position to earn a lot more money, other than just $7. So put yourself in that position first, and then start preparing yourself for a traffic budget, and buying traffic on a weekly or daily basis, if you will. And of course, you're going to start off coming out of pocket for traffic, but as you start buying traffic, as you start getting commissions, you can take half your profits and put that back into traffic. And I'm going to start introducing more instant cash strategies, because with Power Lead system, Lead Lightning is only you don't get paid instantly. They pay out one time every week. I think it's like on a Wednesday. So one time every week you get paid. So I want to start focusing on instant cash strategies, so where you can get paid. You get paid today. You get a sale today, and you get paid today. So that's really what I want to focus on. So just stay tuned for that as well. Yeah, but if you're, in a situation like me, and you just want to just prepare yourself for the transition from low ticket to high ticket offers. So it's actually a medium ticket. So it's low ticket, medium, and high ticket offers. I should have had like a chart or something, but yeah. So when you're making that transition, before you get to that mid ticket, you want to just focus on generating as much engagement and as much traction to your YouTube channel, because once you get into that mid level, you're gonna just hit the YouTube channel, just hit YouTube with it, like, hey, I'm in this business, this and this offer, this and that instant cash strategy business, and you're gonna just hit YouTube with it. So when you're starting out, it's better to just try to focus on getting as much, try to share value, on your YouTube channel, so you can have some subscribers and a small, not a fan base, but a small following. And then once you start getting yourself in that position to earn that mid level ticket offers that I was just talking about, then you're gonna hit YouTube with it and say, hey guys, this is what I got going on. I'm gonna start buying traffic from here, etc. Udemy, MLM leads, blah blah blah. This is my instant cash strategy business, blah blah blah. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Just focus on getting traction to your YouTube channel. MLM Gateway is also, so MLM Gateway will still apply to this rule as well. So you got MLM Gateway, you got ibotoolbox, so Facebook, Instagram, and everything else in between before you start getting into the mid-level affiliate marketing offers, mid-level ticket, commissions, mid-level, and not just be earning $7 forever. So just focus on getting your YouTube channel started up, providing value, and work from there. Thanks for watching. My name is Mr. Graves. See you on the inside.